course, we done with this season. Simmons shit. Not giving a fuck. Just shits and giggles here. Oklahoma offering us great. I got a phone call in 53 minutes, but I know that we can get through the off season before then. Season derailed. Season derailed. That's gonna be a title of the last video. Conference prestige went up. Oh my goodness, Mana dipping. Okay, maybe not. Talbot dipping. And Law. Bro, we already need 100 corners. Put any hitters in the league. Okay, Nolan went 5th round. Yeah, Al Moore. Homegrown guy there. Alright, let's see what the fuck we got going on here. Halfbacks be fucking with us. Specialist safeties don't really want to. Bro, running backs fucking with us. Hello, running backs. Wait a minute. All the running backs I thought I added didn't add. Some of the motherfuckers we might sign and put them at wide out. Mike. Texas Christian. Not all got Talbot. Can we recruit? Oh, I didn't know that we can recruit guys that leave. Kinda crazy trying to recruit to bring them back. But we'll fuck with it. Wow, broski, wow. Oh my goodness, hell yeah. Oh my goodness. Hell yeah. fuck. We do need lava. Oh, so we don't need lava. Fuck David. Alright, let's damn it, man. Check out, buddy. And excuse me. Want no fucking box specialist, them niggas be slow. Some shit. See what I'm saying? Oh shit, my bad, bro. Ain't you a freshman? My word. Fell asleep on young fella. Don't want him. No. .88 speed. I'll scout a little more. 82 tackle. I like that for a corner. I'm offering him to give him 25. Give him 10. Give him 10. Straw. Ooh. Slim pickings all here. I'm dead on that. Lineman type phony. All 4-star guys. Ain't he went to Penn State. He probably tough. Try looking. Oh shit, only got 35. So let's offer him. Give him 25. Give him 5. Can we get some fucking signees, man? No. Bad. I ain't even pay it. Oh, we didn't lose that. We shouldn't have lost the damn bowl game. Damn it, I found him too fucking late, bro. Shit! Absolutely. Bro, don't do us like that. Well, running backs love Colorado State, bro. Oh shit, hell yeah, I get him man. This week 3 might as well. Yeah, right tackle fucking with us. Go 25 on him. 25 there. 25 there. Put no points on, bro. Oh, glad Voss ain't transfer. Can somebody commit? No, somebody cannot commit. We are so cookied. Might as well bring him up to 50. Do we got visits? No. Bring him up to 50. He went up to first. Damn. Fuck. Damn. Let it do what it do. On him. He's slow as shit. 25 on him. Sad recruiting you had to losing too, I must say. I'll just throw the last 50, 25, make it 50 on. Fuck it. What a fucking derailed season, bro. Let's see what we get. Got a tackle. Xavier Duke at guard. Oscar Settle at edge. Rayshawn Wolf, edge. Tavon Strong, edge. Quarterback Andres DeMarco. Edge Chad Snowden. Big edge rushers. Wide receiver Addison Crowther. Wide receiver Jamal Maggot. Halfback Deron Moon. Cornerback Josh Morrison. I like that. Mike Athaya Omame. Right tackle Alex DiMaggio. Said DiMaggio. James Bolin, right guard. Stephen Volk, free safety. Oh my goodness. That was a shitty haul. Lost the corner. Lost another corner. Lost a 92 speed safety. Lost the mic that I thought we jumped the first on. Bro went to Illinois. Damn, we got one running back. Braden Silva went to Wyoming. We did get Jamal Maggot. Signed 17 people. Damn, that New Mexico shit just fucked us all over. Got no athletes. Got 3 quarterbacks now. 4 running backs. Okay. 75, but he's slow. 66, but he... Oh my goodness, receivers is ass. We're going to be so ass this year. Left tackle is back. Let's move him the right guard. Left guard, I mean. Moses is back. Can we put Maggio at anywhere that'll be better? Let's see how he play left guard. I'm better than him. That's a bet. Edge. Oh, Oscar Settle over the left. D-tackle's gonna be solid. Sam gonna be solid. I'm back in core gonna be chills. Well, let's see if Krayshawn be tough at will. Keep him where he at, cause he ain't play. Mooney back, Samir, Mana back. I need these motherfuckers to get faster, bro. Okay. Our 4-star safety, he definitely about to start. Shit. 87 speed. We hanging on by a thread, y'all. We hanging on by a motherfucking thread, bro. Training results. Ogletree is better. I ain't about to keep looking through that. Okay, Deron Moon went crazy. That Voss. He's gonna be second string anyway, but going up 2 is squad. None of my receivers got fast. Okay, Theo. Left tackle is back. Left guards is tough in here. Damn, 384s. Center. Okay, lineman. Vernon is back. Diego German. Marquise Fountain is back. 2 tackles gonna be nifty. Dalton Samuel. Rashawn Clark, 89 speed. Mike's. Wills. Okay, corners look solid. Okay, up 4 safety. I should have put him back at corner, but he's short there anyway. So that's that with that. That 1L really cooked us. I don't need to check here because we're still short. Okay, Rosser got a little bit more heftier. Alright, let's put this Pac-12 together. Conference. Mountain West. Put us in there. Let's go to Big 12. Big 10. Gonna bring SC back. That's cool. USC. Put Cal back over here. That's cool. Big 10. See, putting all these schools over here. I'm gonna have to fight for my life over this bitch too now. American. Some shit. Mid-American. Mountain West. Pac-12, SEC. Let's bring San Diego State over. Let's put Hawaii. Where the fuck is Hawaii at? Let's just go by our letters. Ain't so bad, but we're gonna have to dilute it a bit. I do want to put Brigham Young in the Pac-12. It's 8 deep. Let's do 9 schools. I mean 10. Let's put Colorado in here. And then let's... I ain't gonna run for this one. Just them in there. Then... let's... fuck it, we're gonna bring San Jose State into... one more. Big Ten. Let's bring Washington over. So what we gonna do? Conference rules. Divisions off. Number of conference games. Oh, we can only do 8. Conference championship on. Location. We can do Allegiant. Protected opponent. I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna keep that like that. Just keep it like this for now. Let's go. I like it. So I got the Pac-12 back in action. And it is 12 teams. So yeah. That's at 24, but we 86 across the board. Customize our schedule. Bro, we gonna have to play New Mexico. We gonna have to. Gotta get our luck back. Beat the shit out of them. It's a chill schedule though. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At starting on 3 straight road games. Take Georgia State off. Let's go with Duke. So as of now, 1, 2, 3, 4 ranked games. So at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna rock with this. Schedule's good. Prospect. State. Let's get the lineman out of the way first. We need 3 tackles. Ooh, let's go here. Need 2 guards. Pipeline, center. Okay, athlete, center. Then let's go edge. Outside backer. Pipeline. Let's go Mike's. Well, 6 corners is insane, dog. Niggas added 11. We need 6 wideouts. That's which we also need badly. quarterbacks. Number 1 quarterback fucking with the game. Alright, let's check this. I already know we just off the lineman on the rip. Off a linebacker on the rip. Let's check our ranks and shit. Okay, finally looking good. Needing 6 motherfuckers at the skill position is crazy. At that point, we just got off of niggas. One second. We also need receivers, so we ready to do whatever on that front. 6'4", 89 speed. No, we don't like him. Oh my word, we definitely like the number 1 quarterback. Oh, we like him too. So prospect list. We also need running backs. Athletes. No. No. So the recommended, north, south, elusive, yes. No. Halfback. Go from the neighborhood. No. Halfback. No. Hell no. Alright, now we about to go look at the best running backs. Looks like Bruce had 85 speed. Fuck out of here. Checking number slow. Only. Yes, sir. So we stacked on. Oh yeah, we need. Yeah. I want to use the rest of our points because we don't want to give them away. Need some shit. We might can redo the corners. Oh, he look like he might be tough. So yeah, on 6. Got family ready to pull up, so we're gonna run through this shit real quick and just check who fucking with us. Oh, fell back on the corners, okay. 90 speed, check these running backs. Ooh, yes sir. Alright y'all, we'll get into this and kick the season off when I get back on. Plus, I got a phone call at 3 o'clock, so until next time, yes sir.